In this video, you will learn how to recover a suspended TapTap Send account. First, check your emails. Look for an email from TapTap Send explaining why your account was suspended. Check your inbox and spam folder for any messages with instructions. Reply to the suspension email. Respond with an email for any related information or clarification to help the support team review your case. Contact customer support. If you do not have the email or need further help, reach out to TapTap Send customer support by email or phone. Use the email or phone number linked to your account for verification. Verify your identity. Be ready to prove your identification, such as documents like government-issued IDs or proofs of address that match your account information. Wait for a response. Give the support team time to review your case. They will get back with you with simple or next steps and ask for more details if and when needed. Follow up if needed. If you do not hear back within a reasonable time, contact customer support again to check the status of your account recovery. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.